Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana integration in Slack. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to receive Asana updates directly in your Slack channels, keeping your team informed without constantly switching between apps. Let's start by opening your Asana web app and logging into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your Asana account, including the ability to connect external applications. Inside the settings area, look for the apps section. This is where Asana houses all its integrations with third-party tools. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the option that says Discover New Apps. Click on it to open the integration marketplace. This section contains a variety of apps you can connect to Asana, but we're specifically looking for Slack today. A new tab will open presenting you with Asana's app directory. In the search bar at the top, type in Slack. This will filter the results and show you the Slack integration option. Once you see it, click on Install Slack for Asana. This button initiates the connection process between your Asana workspace and your Slack workspace. Now you'll be prompted with a permission screen. This is Asana asking for your approval to connect with Slack and send information between the two platforms. Click Allow to grant Asana the necessary permissions. This step is essential because it establishes the secure connection that enables the two apps to communicate effectively. After you click Allow, the authorization process will complete and you'll be automatically redirected back to Asana. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration has been successfully set up. This means the two platforms are now connected and ready to work together. From this point forward, you have full control over how Asana and Slack interact. You can start linking specific Asana projects to designated Slack channels, ensuring that relevant updates reach the right teams. Additionally, you can configure notification settings to control what types of Asana activity get posted to Slack, whether it's task completions, new assignments, or project updates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.